if the pth term of AP is 1 by Q and qth term of qth term of AP is 1 by P, prove that the sum of first PQ term of the AP is PQ plus 1 by 2. Okay, இந்த மாதிரி questions அதனால நம்ம லாஸ்ட்டாக எடுக்கிறோம். Okay, good. ஒன்றும் கஷ்டம் கிடையாது, but just need a little focus, அவ்வளோதான், more focus. So now pth term of AP, right? Suppose nth term formula use பண்ணோம். an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. அப்போ pth term என்ன ஆகிடும்? AP is equals to solution given is AP is equals to 1 by Q, which implies a plus P minus 1 into D is equals to 1 by Q. புரிஞ்சுங்களா? இதான் நம்மளுடைய first equation. And next என்னது? qth term is 1 by P, which implies a plus Q minus 1 into D is equals to 1 by P. இது என்னது? Second equation. Solve 1 and 2. Solve 1 and 2. How do you solve now? That means elimination method. I am going to eliminate a directly by subtracting, so that I have to change the sign of the second equation, sign of the terms of the second equation, so that plus a and minus a cancel. Here instead of you doing that directly, you can list out here and then you can simplify here, so that it can be b minus 1 into d minus q minus 1 into d. See, I have given minus because once you change the minus, that has to be taken. Is equal to 1 by q minus 1 by p. புரிஞ்சுங்களா? யூசுவலாக நம்ம நம்பர் இருக்கும், டைரெக்டாக சப்ராக்ட் பண்ணி எழுதுருவோம். இங்கே நம்பர் இல்லை, வேரியபிள்ன்றதுனால அதை இங்கே ரெப்ரசென்ட் பண்ணுறோம். and then we will simplify it. Now இந்த d உள்ள மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணுங்க. pd வருமாங்க, மைனஸ் d வரும், மைனஸ் d உள்ள மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணால் qd, and as well as I have to multiply minus also, minus to minus plus d. Are you able to understand? Good. Now here what can you do? Just do the cross multiplication and LCM. So the denominator is what? PQ. So it is P minus Q. Cross multiplication, P minus Q divided by PQ. Q into P is PQ. So now minus d and plus d is cancel. Now again you just take out d as common. D as common. So once you take d as common, what you get? P minus Q. P minus Q into d is equals to P minus Q divided by PQ. Therefore P minus Q cancelled. Clear? But what is the answer? Then d is equals to
1 by PQ.
Therefore d is equals to 1 by PQ. Let me write over here. But d is equals to 1 divided by PQ. You got it? Any doubt? Clear? Good. இப்போ என்ன கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்? d கண்டுபிடிச்சாச்சு. Now we have to find a. How do you find a? Substitute the value in any one of the equation, then only you can get a. So I am going to substitute in a first equation, equation 1. So substitute d value, d in equation 1. What is equation 1? A plus p minus 1 into d by d equals to 1 by q. Therefore a plus p minus 1 into d, in place of d I am writing the value of d, and is equals to 1 by q. Clear? Now you just multiply this 1 by q inside, so that a plus p into 1 by pq. Therefore p by pq minus 1 by pq. I am just multiplying 1 by pq inside, which is equals to 1 by q. Now pp cancel, right? pp will be cancelled. So what is next? A plus p by q minus 1 divided by pq is equals to, sorry, இங்க 1 தான் வரும், 1q, right? And p cancel பண்ணியாச்சு, அப்புறம் 1 by q. Are you able to see what I am writing here? In the next step shall we complete the answer? Because it is plus and it is plus, and I can cancel it directly. See, இந்த 1 by q அந்த பக்கம் போனா minus 1 by q ஆகும். அப்போ 1 by q minus 1 by q is equals to 0. When it is in a plus term, we have to be very careful. Usually we will cancel in a position of multiplication. If multiplication தான் நம்ம cancel பண்ணுவோம். பட் இங்கே என்ன இருக்குது, அடிஷனில் இருக்குது. பட் here only it is 1 by q. அப்போ இந்த 1 by q அந்த பக்கம் கொண்டு போனால் எனக்கு மைனஸ் ஆகிடும். ஸோ தட் இட் கேன் பி கேன்சல் தட். அதனால் நான் இந்த ஸ்டெப்லேயே கேன்சல் பண்ணிடுறேன். next step minus 1 by pq அந்த பக்கம் போனா plus 1 by pq, therefore a is equals to 1 divided by pq. Any doubt? So a and d கண்டுபிடிச்சாச்சா? Okay, good. Now what I have to find? Find the sum of first pq terms. What it is? Sum of first pq terms. What is sum of first pq terms? What is Sn formula? Now you just take a note of Sn formula. Sn is equals to n by 2 into a plus n minus 1 into d. So now I have to find the 2a plus n minus 1 into d. n by 10 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. So now I have to find the pqth term, isn't it? So therefore spq is equals to pq by 2, n place la pq apply பண்ணோம், into 2 into 1 by pq plus pq minus 1 into 1 divided by pq. சரியா? Clear? Good. So now in the next step, write pq by 2 times pq. Keep it there, no problem. The next step, just write multiply 1 by pq inside. So that pq by pq minus 1 divided by pq. Are you able to understand? Good. So what is pq? Cancel, you will get 1, which is 1. Yes. So now here I am having a pq as a like terms. pq as a like terms. அப்போ அங்கே என்ன ஆகிடும், எனக்கு இது ரெண்டுத்துக்கு மட்டும் போடுங்க, இது ரெண்டுத்துக்கு மட்டும் போடணும். சரியா? இது ரெண்டுத்துக்கு மட்டும் போடணும். அப்போ 2 minus 1 is how much? 2 minus 1 is 1 by pq. I mean 2 minus 1 is 1. அப்போ pq by 2 into 2 minus 1 is 1 by pq plus 1. Are you able to see? Good. What I have to prove? I have to prove pq plus 1 by 2. So now it's over. இங்கே நம்ம மொத்தமாக கூட எல்சிஎம் எடுத்துக்கலாம். இது மேபி நோ ப்ராப்ளம். இந்த ஸ்டெப் எடுத்துருவோம். அப்போ pq by 2 is equals to எல்சிஎம் எடுத்தால் என்ன வரும் எனக்கு இங்கே 1 plus pq by pq. So pq cancel. What is the remaining? 1 plus pq by 2 தானே, அது நான் ப்ரூஃப் படி எழுதிக்கலாமா? pq plus 1 by 2 கூட எழுதிக்கலாம். hence proved. சரியா? Good. காப் பண்ணிக்கோ.